Today we're going to be reviewing a cordless electric yarn binder. Comes with a manual, power cable, screws and a screwdriver, a yarn staff, a winder base, and a yarn guide. To assemble it is super easy. So you take the yarn guide and you stick it in here. To assemble it is super easy. You take the yarn guide and you stick it in the little hole. Then you take your screws and a screwdriver. And you screw it in on the bottom. Then take the yarn shaft and you put it in like that, and you twist it till it clicks. And to use it, you just secure it to the table, and you get your leftover yarn, so you need to put it into a bowl, and it goes through this hole down here. Then you pull this back and put it in the little slot that it has. Do this part. Again, the same thing. Through here. And then you put it in the little slots that it has up here. This is what it looks like. Make sure it's nice and secure. And you just turn the on button. Make sure that your yarn doesn't get tangled. And it has quite a few different speeds, so you can do it slowly or you can do it pretty fast. Alright, so once you get to the end, run out. Then to take it off, you just kind of go like this and push this thing in like that, and now you have your yarn cake. And it winds it really nice and tight, so it won't come out won't undo. So I recommend it.